A quick lesson on getting the size of each group. So we can do this with a pivot table. And again, we're going to say, let's say index is department, we're going to group by department, and let's just say race. Now, you don't have to provide the aggregating values like you normally would over here, right? What you instead, you can go straight to the ag func and set it equal to size, and pandas will know that it doesn't matter what the aggregating column is, the size of that group will be the same. This is how you can get the size of the group. It's the same thing you do with value counts, passing in a list like this, department and race. So these are the same exact numbers. They've just been pivoted. And you can see here, so police and white is 3189, and that's where that value comes from over here. So just a quick way to find the size of each group with a pivot table.